Oh yes, kaibigan mo ako. Kaibigan mo lang ako. And I'm so stupid to make the biggest mistake of falling in love with my best friend.
Alam mo, music video yun eh. Nag-music video ko kay Martin, wala kang live.
Ito na, pero ito maganda to.
Ako ba si Marvin Agustin?
At ako po si Julina Magdangal. Iniimbitahan namin kayong dumalo sa ating 2015
Philippine Festival event on September 19 and 20 sa Yoyogi Park sa Tokyo.
brought to you by Western Union. Be sure to be there by 9 a.m. para makasama kayo sa iba't ibang kasiyahan gaya ng stage games, raffles, and entertainment show. And don't miss visiting the festival booths and cultural photo walls handog ng Western Union.
Nako ito, kailangan niyo mapanood ito. Ang ating mga kababayan, ako sasali sila saan?
Western Union's Kalurki Light Contest.
Naku, sounds familiar.
Correct.
Nakaka-relate ka dyan.
Sobrang relate ako
Enjoy
dyan.
ka. At of course, masasayahin po namin kayo, mga kababayan. May handa-handa ho kami mga special numbers.
Dapat na talaga. Nako, thank you po sa Western Union, our reliable money transfer for supporting the Philippine Embassy.
And for bringing Filipinos together in Japan for this annual celebration of Philippine festivals.
Kaya mga WU Pinoys,
Save the date at magkita-kita po tayo September 19 and 20! See you guys! Hoy!